Hey everyone, today I want to teach you the easiest and cleanest monotype printing. So make sure to put on your work clothes and get ready. What tools we need? A printout of the design you want, offsetting, paper, a ruler, a glass surface, wet wipes, oil, plastic sheet, gloves, a spoon, a pencil and pen, and masking tape. To start, you must first prepare the pigments, no matter how long it takes. Use a spoon to spread it on your plastic sheet. Tap, 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 and do whatever you can. You might think the hard part is over, but no. Now you need to use the roller to spread the ink and fully activate the pigments. Keep rolling it out, even longer than before, more than 10 minutes, until the ink is smooth and ready.
2 hours later.
Now keep rolling and then apply it onto the glass. You know, the more professional and expensive the roller is, the easier the ink spreads across the glass surface. Now to create a frame, we'll place the paper and tape around the edges with masking tape. Let's move on to the next step. Offsetting is made of 90% adhesive, and by placing paper on it and repeating this process, we remove the extra glue. Anywhere we feel the color has left spots or looking uneven, we apply a bit more. We run our hands all over to pick up the extra color. This process needs to be repeated several times. Now that the paper is taped, we move to the next step. We place the design paper and our printout on top, taping it lightly, and put it on our work. I did a few test prints here. Want to see how? I'll show you. It's better to use a pen for drawing because it gives a cleaner and more precise line and needs less pressure. With pencil, mistakes happen more, so add shading slowly to make your design clear. Remember, you can leave your work anytime to check it. Don't worry. After doing the plenty of test prints, we get to the drawing part. You might think that people who aren't strong at drawing can do this, but actually, the design only needs to look about 15% like the original. So even if your drawing isn't perfect, you can do it. Don't worry, trust me. And one more important thing, never put your hand directly on your work. This print is really exciting because it only gives you one print, unlike mono printing, which can give you up to 7 prints. Do you want me to show you how to do that too? If yes, let me know. This was the easiest technique, and I also added a few shades which I'll share photos of. Besides this, I've posted a few more as short on my channel. You can check them and tell me what you think. After finishing your design, it's time to hang your work to dry for at least 4 days or more. For cleaning, use oil and wet wipes. And until the next video, take care of yourself. Bye for now.